Fashion Week, always bound to bring the glamour, but Spring-Summer 2024 season's makeup notes range from sweet and saturated to just the right amount of edginess. From the grungy 90s to the coquettish 60s, here are top 5 makeup aesthetics of Spring-Summer 2024. First up is Neo-Parisian. A sultry smoky eye enhanced the eyes, while sculpted contouring and blood-red lips epitomized the quintessential Parisian look at Saint Laurent. While the smoggy, midnight blue eyeshadow, created by Charlotte Tilbury Prose at Nina Ricci, was noteworthy. At number 2 is Vintage Romance. The finger waves and deep, romantic parts of the 1920s received a 2020s update at Annie's Ibiza, while at Giorgio Armani, gelled and kinked coifs, sculpted into a variety of textures and with an at times creative use of strands, delivered era finger waves into the present tense. The spring-summer runways saw a gothic, witchy theme emerge. Slightly off-kilter feline flicks were drawn onto the eyes of some of the models at Balenciaga, while spidery lashes stood out at Victoria Beckham, who described the mood as feminine with an edge. At Dior, makeup artist Peter Phillips created lips giving vibes of a witch-like bitten lip effect. Let's hear from Peter Phillips himself.
So the key products to get this look is the Dior Forever Glow Foundation routine, and on the lips I used the Dior Show On Stage Crayon. It's an eyeliner, it's a combination between a kohl and an eyeliner. It's waterproof and it stays really well. So the separation between the top and the bottom lip, I actually use this liner, blended it out softly, and then applied a little bit of Rouge Dior in matte. There are a few selected shades, and then to blend out the black in towards the natural lip shade. And that's it for the witchy lips at Dior.
While at Givenchy, same vibes continued with smudgy liner, natural brows, and slightly pale lips titled as Soft Goth. At number 4 is Naturecore. Naturecore gave us pure spring vibes at shows like Simone Rocha, where models were seen with cheeks decorated with floral designs, while at Dries Van Noten, models opted for actual feather lashes. And the last biggest trend rocking every designer house is modern minimalism. The clean girl aesthetic continues to evolve as skin was given an ultra-groomed glow this season. The quiet luxury of makeup, its minimal but polished, groomed brows, ethereal highlights and shiny lips. Now, let's look at some recurring eye makeups in designer houses. Can you spot some common trend in this clips? It's 3D graphic eyeliner. Mugler, known for an unyielding commitment to precision and structure, carried a striking 3D eyeliner design. This piece, seemingly crafted from a sleek piece of plastic, added a twist, creating an angular dimension on the models' faces. While at Dries Van Noten, runway fluttered with a bold feathered eyeliner, blended seamlessly with their tousled hair. From Richard Quinn to Brandon Maxwell, the lack of focus on some models' brows was, ironically, very obvious. Retro feeling, while arguably a timeless classic, feline flicks of eyeliner never go out of fashion. But what makes them modern, as seen at Moschino and Dolce & Gabbana this season, was the absence of bold brows and obvious mascara on the lower lashes. This low-key effect oozes a coolness that a more full glam look can't compete with. For recurring eyeshadow trends observed were pastels. Playful and painterly color reigned at Armani, while Prada Sunset Orange Shadow was pressed from lid to brow for maximum impact. Fairycore dominated various desiccant houses, featuring metallic eyeshadows and nude glossy lips. AZ Factory captivated audiences with a display of vibrant neon lashes. Tiffany Brown Designs went big on baby blue, with a whole show dedicated to the color, which was washed across the model's eyes. Peter McDowell and Mugler created a trend of ultra-skinny eyebrows. Erect, twiggy lashes were observed at Versace in the AZ factory. Now, time for some recurring lips trend. The famous sunset lips is my favorite, with black liner at the edges and mixture of red and yellow at the center. For something a little more seasonal, Ola Johnson served up the prettiest soft stain lips in springy shades of pink and coral. Witchy lips featured an ultra-dark shade applied exclusively at the center of the lips, accentuated by completely nude makeup on the rest of the face. Numerous shows including Burberry, Dior, Coach opted for deep brown or black to contrast with the spring-summer color palette. The antithesis of minimalism, that is statement red lips, stood out on the runways of Alexander McQueen and Schiaparelli, where velvet red lips took center stage. This spring-summer 2024 is an evolution, with a quiet luxury looks, upgrading the traditional no-makeup to 90s-inspired soft grunge, adding an edge. I have created a separate video on all the hottest spring-summer 2024 fashion trends. Click on the video at the end screen.